Saving money in HDFC Bank can be streamlined with a few strategic steps. Start by opening a high interest savings account. HDFC Bank offers various savings accounts with competitive interest rates which can help you grow your money. Now, utilize fixed deposits, FDs, for a safe and higher return on savings. Consider investing in tax savings FDs to benefit from both savings and tax deductions. Setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This ensures consistent savings and can help you build your fund without thinking about it. Explore HDFC's banking recurring deposit schemes, which allows you to save a fixed regular amount, okay? Or should I say a fixed amount regularly, okay? Now, fostering disciplined savings, obviously. Make use of HDFC's banking mobile banking and online banking feature to track your expenses and savings goals easily. So regular monitoring can help you adjust your spending habits. Consider enrolling in savings plans like systematic investment plans, SIPs, through HDFC Mutual Fund, which can help you invest in mutual fund gradually. Lastly, take advantage of any promotions or offers on savings products provided by the bank, and regularly review your saving strategies to ensure it aligns with your financial goals.